Welcome to the neighborhood of Penrose here in South Arlington. Today we're going to present you this brand new construction from Classic Cottages. Let's explore this beauty. So as soon as you come into the house, you have, of course, your staircase to the right, and on this door, you're gonna have your garage. We're gonna be there in a second. To the left of the entrance, you're gonna have your coat closet, and then you're gonna have your first and only powder room in the house. Of course, past the powder room, you're gonna have your one car garage. It's a tight space, but definitely you can fit an SUV. And of course, you're gonna have your electrical connection for your electric vehicle, and these are going to be your 2 electric panels for the entire house. One thing that I love about Classic Cottages, and they make already the connection from the roof to this spot here so that you can install a future solar panel system. Okay, this is your big or your great room, great space. We're gonna start here in the kitchen. Thermador appliances, you have your French door refrigerator, and then you have a 36 inches range. This is very nice because it has 6 burners, and then you have your extractor, which is really powerful, a little bit noisy, but when you're cooking, you want something that it's going to extract all these fumes. Great, absolutely great kitchen here. We can entertain. There's an island that seats 3 people, and right there you have your dining room area, which seats another 6 people. And then you have this gorgeous Thermador range. 6 burners, it's 36 inches, and it has a very nice oven. Then you have your microwave, your dishwasher, and a gorgeous Thermador also, French door refrigerator. Plenty of space, and then you have, not gonna be able to see it from there, but you have your freezer with ice maker. And then you're gonna have your living room. Excellent space all around. One thing that I absolutely love about this space is the amount of windows and glass doors that you have around this area. Plenty of natural light you're gonna get. And of course, today it's a very, very gloomy day. We just have one of the coldest days that I've experienced here in the area. It's about 13 degrees outside. And it is perfect to sit around this fireplace. In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington and Falls Church. We walk through different homes, new construction, renovations, all construction, some historic homes. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you hit the notification bell, because every week we post new videos and you do not want to miss them. If you are interested in touring this house or any other house in the neighborhood, please make sure you give us a call or send us a text message, and we'll be more than happy to accommodate your schedule and show you around. And let's go to the first or the second level. The second level, you're gonna have your primary bedroom and 2 additional bedrooms. Something I didn't mention before is the wood floors. They are very nice. You have these nuts, and it looks very natural and warm and gives like coziness to the house. This would be your first room. It's rather on the smaller side. It's about 10 by 10, maybe a little bit less. But of course you're gonna have a very nice size closet. Then next to this room, which is to the opposite side of your primary bedroom, you're gonna have this laundry room, which has plenty of storage. And then you have this sink, which it is very valuable if you ask me. And then of course you're gonna have your space for a full-size washer and dryer. Now, on the opposite side of the laundry room, you're gonna have your first full bathroom in this level. It's a very nice glass subway tile, and your vanity, and I wanted to give you a shot of what the tile on the floor looks like. It's very nice, and it transitions very well into the wood floor. All right, let's go to bedroom number 2 here in the second level. It's the room is a little bit bigger than the one we saw before, and of course you're gonna have your full-size closet. And I guess that these 2 bedrooms will share the bathroom that we just showed you. And without further ado, let's take a look at the primary bedroom. There's very little to say other than this is a gorgeous primary bedroom. Look at this side. I mean, the entire wall is windows, and then the windows are interrupted by a king-size bed. Very nice, and you still have plenty of space around. This would be your primary closet, which has a very, very nice space. And then on the opposite side of this bigger closet, you're gonna have a complementary closet. It's a little bit smaller, but plenty of space for additional clothes, shoes. And let's take a look at the primary bathroom. You're gonna have your toilet room, and then you're gonna have this very nice space, a glass shower. You have your main shower, and then you have a wand and a very nice bench. Again, it's a different kind of subway tile, maybe a little bit longer than a regular subway tile, but you have your niche, and the accents throughout the house are going to be a polished nickel. Very, very nice. And of course, you're gonna have 2 sinks, his and hers, and plenty of storage. A very good surprise that is going to be a 3rd level with additional bedrooms. So let's go and take a look. Before we go to the next floor, let's take a look at the linen closet. Let's keep going. As you get to the top level, or the 3rd level, you're gonna be greeted by this seating area. Next to the seating area, you're gonna have a den. It's not considered a bedroom because it does not have a closet, but if you ask me, you have plenty of space if you need an additional bedroom. But you are gonna have a full-size bedroom with closet, and I have another surprise for you. So this is a queen-size bed. You can easily fit a king size, but the bedroom is very nice space. very good size. And of course, that's gonna be your closet. Let's take a look in. Very nice size closet. But this is the surprise that I wanted to show you. So in this door, look at all this unfinished space that you could use as storage, or you can finish it and have another bedroom. You could close this, make it a closet. Of course, you're gonna have to enclose the mechanical room for your HVAC, but you have plenty of space here. So we saw main level, second floor, and now this third floor. And guess what? We do have a full-size basement. So let's go and take a look. All right, so we are in the basement. In the basement, you're gonna find this first room. You could use it as a closet, as a game room. It has plenty of space to sit, 4 people and a table. Then let's go through each door. Your mechanical room. In the mechanical room, you're gonna have your HVAC, or your primary HVAC for first, second, and third levels, or basement first level. Then the second HVAC is for second and third levels. Big size water heater, and every room has its own Cat 6 connections, and all the connections and the cable connections come to this box there. And you have additional space for storage. Then you're gonna have a full-size bathroom. I love the vanity. It's white, and the floor it's a gray tone that goes really well with the white cabinets, or not cabinets, but vanity. And then you have this subway tile that is laid vertically. Very, very nice. Good texture to the tile. Then you're gonna have your first bedroom here in the basement. You have an egress to the outside, and then your closet. That is why it qualifies as a bedroom. It's a good size compared to the bedrooms upstairs. It's comparable to the second bedroom. Then you're gonna have a little bit of storage here under the staircase. And then you have a little sitting area here, and your family room. This could be a TV room, a music room. You have plenty of space in this room here. Actually, if you want, you can turn it into an exercise room. Let's take a look here from the other side. Guys, it's super cold outside. It's like 10 degrees. So thank you very much for touring the house with us today. We post videos like this every week, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel. You hit the notification bell so you're notified next week when we drop a new video. Thank you very much. My name is Miguel, and we'll see you next week.